Welcome to the Brand Investigation YouTube channel. Here, we dive deep into the best drone cameras. Let's explore comparisons and reviews to help you make the perfect buying decision. In this video, we'll cover 4 key areas. First, we'll explore the key factors to consider before buying a drone online. Then, we'll highlight the top 4 best drone brands currently on the market. After that, we'll guide you on how to choose the right drone for your needs. Finally, we'll break down the customer ratings to help you understand the real-world performance of these drones. The joy of flying and recording from the sky is what makes drones so exciting to use. Many drone users have shared their experiences. Here are some of the common issues you might face when using drones. Some users have reported drone parts breaking easily during use. Signal problems can cause drones to lose connection mid-flight, which may result in crashes in challenging environments. Battery life can be shorter than expected, causing unexpected interruptions during flights and limiting the total flight time. Occasionally, the video quality doesn't meet expectations, with footage appearing grainy, shaky. Don't worry, our brand research ensures the best buying decision. So let's get started. Let's take a closer look at the top 4 drone brands leading the market today. The Autel Evo Lite Plus stands out with its stunning 4K video capability and solid flight performance. It's perfect for those who want a versatile drone with great camera features and impressive stability. DJI has long been a leader in the drone market, and the DJI Mini 4 Pro, highly portable but powerful drone. DJI's reputation for quality is evident in the Mini 4 Pro. Holy Stone has built a name for itself as a brand offering affordable yet reliable drones. Chess 720G is one of their standout models, featuring 2.7K video. This drone is well suited for beginners and intermediate users. Ruco is a brand that's gaining popularity for providing feature-rich drones at a budget-friendly price. The F11 Pro is a solid choice, offering 4K UHD video. Ruco focuses on making drones accessible for everyone while maintaining quality. Now let's dive into the detailed comparison of these brands to see which one suits your needs the best. Let's start with the resolution and frame rate. The Autel Evo Lite Plus offers 4K at 30 frames per second. The DJI Mini 4 Pro gives you 4K at 60 frames per second. The Holy Stone HS720G features 2.7K video, and the Ruco F11 Pro records at 4K UHD. For stabilization, Autel and DJI use 3-axis gimbals, while Holy Stone has electronic image stabilization, and Ruco F11 no gimbal axis and also limited EIS. In terms of speed, Autel Evo can reach up to 42 miles per hour or 68 kilometers per hour. DJI Mini 4 hits 36 miles per hour or 58 kph. Holy Stone achieves 25 miles per hour or 40 kph, and Ruco's maximum is 26 miles per hour. Autel can go up to 800 meters, DJI can reach 500 meters. Holy Stone's limit is 300 meters, and Ruco F11's cap is 120 meters. For maximum range, Autel and DJI reaches 12 kilometers. Holy Stone's range is only 1 kilometer, and Ruco can go up to 1.2 kilometers. Looking at the battery type and capacity, Autel includes a 6,175 mAh lithium polymer. DJI offers a 2,590 mAh lithium polymer. Holy Stone provides a 2,800 mAh lithium ion, and Ruco has a 2,500 mAh lithium polymer battery. When discussing wind and temperature resistance, Autel has good wind resistance. Withstanding up to 38 kilometers per hour, DJI also offers strong wind resistance. Holy Stone provides basic wind resistance without waterproofing, and Ruco has the same limitations. For safety features, Autel excels with obstacle sensors in 3 directions. DJI has omnidirectional sensing, while Holy Stone and Ruco have poor safety features relying solely on GPS-based return. For positioning systems, Autel uses GPS GLONASS. DJI employs GPS Galileo and GLONASS. Holy Stone relies on GPS, and Ruco has a basic GPS system. In terms of connectivity and transmission, Autel features a dual-band 2.4 and 5.8 GHz system. DJI uses OcuSync 4.0. Holy Stone relies on 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and Ruco uses the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi technology. In intelligent modes, Autel supports multiple intelligent modes. DJI excels with a range of modes. Holystone has limited intelligent modes, and Ruko offers basic ones. For the swappable battery lifespan, Autel, DJI, Holystone, and Ruko each offer a 1-year lifespan. Next, we examine special features. Autel shines with dynamic track HDR and night scene modes. DJI provides active track quick shots and hyperlapse. Holystone has average GPS-based features, and Ruko offers basic GPS-based return-to-home functionality. Looking at obstacle detection, Autel has sensors on the front, rear, and sides. DJI covers 360-degree sensing. Holystone and Ruko lack obstacle detection. Regarding storage, Autel uses microSD up to 256 GB, DJI supports microSD up to 256 GB with internal 8 GB. Holystone supports microSD up to 128 GB, and Ruko also supports up to 128 GB. For certifications, Autel is FCC CE ROX, DJI is FCC CE, Holystone is CE ROX, and Ruko are both CE and FCC certified. On build quality, Autel is praised for its solid, high-quality design. DJI is known for being durable and lightweight. Holystone is rated as average, and Ruko has a sturdy plastic design. Looking at customer satisfaction, Autel holds 84% of 245 customers. DJI has 88% of 4,168 customers. Holystone is rated at 85% of 2,252 customers, and Ruko has an 85% rating from 8,254 customers. Considering spare parts availability, Autel provides good support, DJI is excellent, Holystone's and Ruko is average. Finally, warranty. Each brand offers a standard 1-year warranty, providing coverage for potential defects or issues within the first year of purchase. Let's take a look at customer ratings from trusted sources. Autel drone camera holds good 4-star rating, DJI drone camera holds excellent 4.5-star rating, Holystone drone camera holds average 3.5-star rating, and Ruko drone camera also holds average 3.5-star rating as concluded from customers who rated in trusted sources. Don't forget to like, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content.